Namaste. Welcome to your yoga stretch to warm up your body in the morning before you start your day or before a workout. Take a seat in a cross-legged position, cross your legs at your shins. Spin your inner thighs down. Place your hands on your knees. Let's begin by warming up our spine. As you inhale, arch your spine, lift your chin up, not too far, don't throw your head back. And as you exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, open your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Exhale, round your spine, let your shoulder blades move away from another. Keep going on your own. Breathe deeply and follow your breath. Good work, and then slowly come back to center. And then swing your legs back. Take a seat on your heels. It's just for a second. And then lift your seat up and sit over towards your left side, moving your feet a little bit over towards your right side. Place your right fingertips on the floor next to your feet. Take a deep breath in, raise your left arm up. As you breathe out, take a side body stretch towards your right side. So walk your right fingertips a little bit over towards the right, not too far, just a gentle side body stretch. Then release your side body stretch. Lift your left arm up and bend your left elbow. Place your palm in between your shoulder blades and then lift your chin up as if you're enjoying the sun, like I'm doing right here. This is Mermaid Pose. Nice way to open the chest. And then release. And there goes my camera. It's a little bit of a windy day. So continue. Place your left hand next to your left thigh on the floor. Then join with your right hand. And just take a gentle twist towards your left side, rotating your chest towards your left. Keep breathing. And then slowly release. Come back to center. Sit back on your heels in hero pose just for a second. So I fixed my camera. Shift your seat to your right side, so you're sitting on your right sitting bone, and your feet are on your left side. Left fingertips are on the floor. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, walk your left fingertips over towards your left side and take a gentle side body stretch. Spiral your heart open and up towards the sky. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose as you open up your side body in Mermaid Pose. And then slowly come back to center. Then bring your right hand in between your shoulder blades, bend your right elbow, and lift your chin up towards your right side. Again, take a long deep breath in and out through your nose. And then as you inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, lower your hands down next to your right thigh on the floor. And gently rotate your chest towards the right side. Remember to breathe deeply. On your next inhale, come back to center. Sitting on your heels. in hero pose. Rest your palms on your thighs, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Keep your spine elongated, also lengthen the back of your neck, and observe with an open mind how your body feels right now. And take another deep breath. And then take a seat. Bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg, flex your right foot. Place your right hand by the inside of your right leg. Inhale, lift your left arm up and reach over towards your right foot. Keep flexing your right foot and enjoy a nice side body stretch. Hamstring stretch as well. Hip opener. Lots of good stuff going on over here. Breathe deeply into your stretch. Then inhale. Come back to center. Exhale, release. Place your left hand on the floor next to your left hip. And then inhale. Circle your right hand towards the front and then all the way towards the back. Lift your pelvis up. And then slowly sit back down. And switch sides. Bend your right knee. Lengthen out your left leg. Flex your left foot. Place your left hand by the inside of your left thigh. Then inhale, reach your right arm up and over. As you exhale, keep reaching towards your left foot. Flex your left foot. Feel that in your hamstring. Open up your side body. Breathe deeply. Keep your chest open. Try not to collapse. Beautiful. Inhale. Come back to center. Exhale. Lower your right hand down. Place it next to your right seat on the floor. Inhale. Circle your left arm towards the front, to the right, and then all the way to the back. Keep reaching. Lift your pelvis up. Hold. Take a deep breath. Nice work. And then release. Come back to center. And then bend your left knee for a butterfly pose. Place your foot soles together and gently let your knees fall open. You can hold on to your feet. Now if you're tight in your hips and it's uncomfortable, then you can make fists and place them in between your thighs and the floor just to fill up that gap for some extra support. So you can either hold on to your feet or place your hands, your fingertips behind you, open your chest. Follow your body, follow what feels good to you. If you want to take it a step further, you can also deepen your hip stretch. If it's too intense, just hold off and choose the option that works best for you. So here I'm showing you the most intense hip stretch. Place your forearms on the floor, so you're resting on your forearms. You can flip your palms open and then relax your head down. So remember, this is your stretch, your practice. Always choose what works best for you. Take long, slow, deep breaths. So if you were in the third option, place your palms back on the floor and slowly walk yourself up. And then let's all bring our knees together. Hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a big squeeze. Well done. And then take a cross-legged position. Hands are in Gyan Mudra. The tips of your thumb and index finger are touching. Lengthen out the rest of your fingers and rest the backs of your palms on your knees. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders. Close your eyes or gaze at the floor and take a moment to acknowledge your hard work, your stretching, and committing to your yoga practice or your morning stretch. Taking this time to breathe and move slowly and mindfully, stretching and warming up your body, taking care of your health and well-being. And then before we finish our stretch, our practice together, I would like to share this affirmation with you. I am open, ready, and excited for this day and all that it will bring. And then let's seal it with a deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Dip your chin down, release your hands. And then breathe in, circle your arms up. Exhale, let your hands kiss and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Thank you so much for joining me today. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video and fill out your first name and email address and I'll send it to you right away. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Tuesday. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.